Hi viewers, hope you all will be fine and happy. Is in the pandemic of 2020, taking physical classes is impossible. And teachers starting taking classes online. They are worried about how to use different media and how to record their video lectures, which is easily understandable for students. So here is the solution with us. Let's learn about how to record your video lectures. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of our updated video, and don't forget to like our video. We are using Camtasia 9 for recording our screen, for recording our video lectures. So you have to open it. After open it, there is interface in which you can record your screen, you can record your video lectures as well as you can edit them. So in this tutorial we will learn about how to record your video lectures, your screen, and in the next video we will learn about how to edit this video and how to make it ready for delivery to students. Okay, so you have to click on this record button. After clicking on this record button, this interface will be open. See, there is customize and full screen. This is a selected area. Currently the selected area is full screen. See this dotted green boundary, this shows that this is your selected area. Now the selected area is full screen, and after that if you want to customize it, you can customize it. There is different options, 720, 480. You can also select area by this selection. You can change its dimensions, you can on and off your webcam, you can, in audio section you can see there are different options. You can open your microphone, you can close it, you can record your system audio, and there are also other options. You can check it for yourself, for your convenience and for according to your needs. After that, when all of your requirements are ready, you have to click on this record button. When you click on this record button, your screen will be recorded. See, your screen is recorded behind. Okay, see, add seconds. Now you can record your lecture in a way that first of all you have to create your PowerPoint presentation, open it and put it on slideshow. Now your PowerPoint presentation is on your slideshow option. See, there is different sign. You can go to next slide and previous slide. From here you can write on your screen. This is a laser pointer, your pen, your highlighter. If you want to use your laser pointer, click on it and see, this is your laser pointer. If you want to change it to your pen, you can also write on your screen. See, you can underline this, you can underline this. If you want to change its color, you can also change its color from here. See, if you want to erase these lines, you can erase them one by one, or you can erase it at all. Erase all ink on slide. All ink is erased now. So in this way you can teach your PowerPoint presentation in a video and you can deliver it to your students. So in this video we learned about how to record and how to create our video lectures. After recording it, you have to click on this and you have to stop it. When you stop it, your video will automatically open in Camtasia Video Studio. In next video we will teach you how to edit it, how you can remove extra parts of this video, extra noise of this video, how can you add some music behind this video. So keep viewing and keep sharing. Stay in touch with us to learn about techniques and tips required to compete in this decade. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of our updated video, and don't forget to like our videos.